Hi everybody and welcome to another video. My name is Richard Seidlitz, I'm the owner of redpants.lol, and today I'm going to show you how to change the windshield wiper blades on an Aston Martin. Now there is a little trick to this which I'm going to show you shortly, and it does make it an easy job. If you don't know how to do this, however, it's going to be very, very difficult for you because there's not enough clearance otherwise to get the blades in and out of the wiper blade arms. So let's go ahead and get started. That's better. Here we have everything needed to do this job. As you can see, there aren't any tools at this table, except for me. And one of the things I have here is the owner's manual from my 2007 V8 Vantage. In this particular owner's manual, and it can vary from year to model, so just make sure you check which one is which for your car. On page 10.13, that's 10.13, it actually says how to do this job that I'm about to go over. There's a lot of stuff inside the owner's manual, and I've got another video I'm working on that's going to highlight some of the key things, but it's worth knowing that it's here. Next, the wiper blades themselves. First thing to notice is that they are different sizes. They're asymmetrically sized, so one is longer than the other. The key thing I wanted to go over with these are the Bosch Icon wiper blades. These are the ones that I recommend in my V8 Vantage maintenance guide video and that I use myself. The reason I recommend them is because they're a good quality product at a reasonable price and you can get them pretty much anywhere. I have affiliate links in the description below and also on Redpants, so if you want to support the channel, you can go ahead and use those. I really appreciate the support. Even though it's a small commission I get, it does add up and it's a huge help for this channel and for me to be able to make these videos. Here we have got a cover on the top, and as you can see, it just opens up. And I wanted to mention this because this is very important to know for the for when you're looking at these products, because if you see something and it looks different from what you have on your car, you may wonder if it's compatible, if it's the same, it's going to work. In this case, it is. They're going to look different because of this cover, but inside is that same hooking hinge point where you're going to slide the arm through, hook it back on this, and then close it back down so you just have it covered up. And that's all there is to it. So now that we've seen all this, let's hop out into the garage and you can see this job in action. Here we can see the root of the problem. The wiper arm is tucked under the hood or bonnet, and when we try to lift it, it hits the hood and we can't lift it enough to get clearance to remove the wiper blade. So what we need to do is reposition the wipers so the arms have clearance and the blades can be replaced. The reach is a little awkward, but this is super quick. Press buttons 8 and 9 and continue to hold them down while cycling the key to position 2. The wiper arms will reposition and will stay there. You can then remove the key. Remove the old wiper blades by pressing them downwards. Careful not to stab it into the car once it comes loose. Install the new wiper blades by inserting the arm through the cover and then pushing the blade up into the wiper arm hook until it snaps into place. Once you finish the first side, go ahead and repeat this process for the other side, and then you're set. The last thing we need to do is get the wiper blades back down, and this is sort of done by default. As soon as you put the key in and rotate it, those blades are going to drop back down. I'll show you. And there we go, another job done quickly and easily. Aston Martin service guidelines recommend that the wiper blades be replaced every 2 years or 20,000 miles, whichever one comes first. If you haven't seen it yet already, please check out my V8 Vantage maintenance guide video, which talks about these and other items that need to be replaced as part of your regular service of your Aston Martin. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. It's redpants.lol for the website as well, and I have a bunch of DIY guides, tutorials, and informative videos in general, and articles on both of them, so please check them out, and I will see you next time.